Angel, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Sana tumagal pa ang buhay mo. Maraming pang birthday na natin sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Ayan, sa akin, more blessing to come. Stay pretty. Tsaka mag-ingat po palagi sa mga ginagawa mo dyan sa ibang bansa. Sana huwag kang magsawang suportahan charity vlog na tulad namin. Salamat po.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Stay pretty din talaga. At syempre, salamat sa mga advice mo. Tsaka, alam mo na yun, yung mga advice mo sa akin. Basta yun, salamat pagiging ate. Tsaka, ano pa ba? Basta, yun na yun. Salamat sa pagiging ate mo sa amin. At tsaka yung mga tulong mo sa amin, especially sa ilan sa mga beneficiary namin. Salamat, Ate Angel. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Maligayang bati sa aming Blue Angel na maganda. Hindi lang maganda ang hitsura, pati na rin ang kanyang kaluluwa. Kaluluwa talaga. Anyway, be safe always. Ingat palagi. And stay humble. Maraming salamat for being a friend at sa suporta mo lagi sa channel ko. Maraming salamat. Know that I appreciated it always. So, deserve mo ang kung ano man ang meron ka ngayon because you are a good person. Tsaka ano pa ba? Enjoy lang sa birthday celebration mo with your loved ones. Yun lang. Love you, ganda kong Angel. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Angel. God bless.
Happy birthday, Gandang Angel. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord na makaraming birthday pa. Bigyan ka ng malusog ng mga katawan para mapasaya mo pa kami. Tuloy ikaw ay magla-live. Happy birthday. Salamat at nakilala kita sa YP. Since, mula nung kay Ate Merly, yun, doon kita nakilala. Tapos, umakyat ka sa live ni Gandang Clickers. Tapos, nakakuha ka pa doon. Tapos, ano pa, mahihiya ka pang kumanta. Ayaw mo pang kumanta doon. Pagod ka doon. Pag-ipog ka pa. Yun pala, galing-galing mo kumanta. God bless. Always. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ninang Angel. I love you. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lalabs Angel. More birthdays to come. Good health. More blessings. At sana matupad lahat ng iyong mga pangarap. Ang gusto ko lang sana sa iyo, sana palagi ka maging masaya, mag-iingat ka, at lahat ng mga gusto mong abutin pa ay makamit mo. Happy birthday, Lalabs Angel. We love you so much. Thank you for everything. Love you!
OFW Angel, happy birthday. I hope your celebration gives you a happy and meaningful memories. Have a best birthday ever. Wish to see you in person soon to say thank you personally sa mga blessings na sinishare mo sa amin, lalo na sa akin. It's a big help for us, especially for me. Stay cool and pretty. Keep on singing until you perfect the tune. Joke. Happy birthday. More years to celebrate. Nang mas masaya. Masaya ako na nakilala kita kahit sa YT lang. But soon in person. Again, happy birthday. Beautiful and sexy OFW Angel.
Happy birthday to you.
Ang dami kong scratch na naubos bago ko na perfect yung sasabihin ko.
Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ma'am Angel. Ayan. Happy birthday sa'yo and more birthday cam. And thank you sa lahat ng blessing mo sa mister mo. Ayan. So, happy birthday again. And good health sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Ayan. At sa pamilya mo. Ayan. Good health sa inyo. Sa mga pamilya mo. Especially sa'yo. Ayan. Happy birthday again. And I love you. Bye.
Hello, Sis Angel. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, and prosperity, and peace. Salamat sa friendship, and once again, happy birthday. Take care always, and we love you.
Hello, Sissy Angel. Happy birthday to you. Hi, enjoy your day. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo sa kaarawan mo ay lagi lalo kang maging maganda. Pamanahan mo ako ng kagandahan, okay? Tapos, bakit ganyan ang taba-taba ko? Laki-laki ng damit. Maraming salamat sa mga support mo, Angel. Sana hindi ka magbabago. Ako lang ang nagbabago. Panty araw-araw. Mayroon din naliligo. Happy birthday! Sana'y maligo ka ngayon karawan mo. Thank you for the support. At masugod-sugod sa mga live ko. Happy birthday to you, my friend. Don't change. Hello. Bye-bye. Oh, na. Happy birthday, Angel. Happy birthday, Angel. Chacho, maruchu, kakak, chacho. Happy birthday, Hi, Angel. Happy birthday to you. Isipin mo na lang, naruto ako na lagi nang nakatingin sa mga ulap at bituin. Naruto ako na lagi nang nakatingin. Happy birthday, Angel. Enjoy your day. Mama chup-chup. Pasensya na ako ay sinaruto ngayon. Hindi ko makita yung outfit. Kaya wig na lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Mama chup-chup. I love you, my friend. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Angel. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good health and
Of course, thank you for loving my Team Tanod. Thank you for, alam ko naman they are very supportive to you as well. And good luck for our YT, especially sa iyo kasi concentrate ka. And also, more blessings to come to you. Okay, thank you. I wish I can come to your birthday, I can join, but thank you so much for helping others, especially Team Tanod. Okay, bye.